Hello there, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can edit Exness leverage. So let's say that you have logged into your Exness account, then you will see your accounts here on my accounts. Just tap on it, then you'll be able to see the accounts that you have here. And if you are a new user, then you need to add an account. You just tap on open account button that will be appearing here, and then we'll have these settings. So you see this page, just continue. You can choose the one that you like, and then for me I just choose the standard that has low minimum deposit with no commission, and then I just go, I proceed. Now here I can just choose the leverage. Here you can see I can just choose the leverage. If I want it to unlimited, I can just choose it there, and then I'll have it. What I need to do is enter the password, and then after entering the password, I choose the platform that I like. Now I just choose this MetaTrader 5, and then here I can choose between a demo and a real account. Choose a demo where I can edit this balance if I want to, or I can just proceed to edit. After doing that, I can just create an account, and then I show you how you can edit it on a created account. Let's say that you have a balance here and you don't need to create another account. So what you can do is just come to three dots here, and then you have adjust leverage. So here you can choose the amount of leverage that you can tolerate. So if you want it to unlimited, just choose it, and then choose the one that accepts. So I just go with this, and then after that I just save, then I have it there. So if I also need to edit it, I just do it the same way, and that way I have edited my leverage.